Hi friends, how are you? Now I'm going to start current affairs to the point. 9th May 2020. So first topic is stringency index. This index is created by Oxford University. Okay, this index mainly used to calculate the how much hardness applied by the government to tackle the COVID-19 emergency. Okay, so this index is a number from 0 to 100 that reflect these indicators. A higher index score indicates a higher level of hardness. Okay, so due to this, that is, India enforced one of the strongest lockdown at an early phase. Okay, so next one is these indicators examine contaminant policy such as school and workplace closing, public event, public transport, and stay-at-home policy. Okay, it is among the metrics being used by the Oxford COVID-19 गवर्नमेंट रिस्पॉन्स ट्रैकर. ये कुछ नहीं है, एक गवर्नमेंट रिस्पॉन्स ट्रैकर है जो कोविड-19 इमरजेंसी से कैसे बाहर आए हैं अदर कंट्रीज. ओके, सो stringency index applied by the Oxford University at the 18 countries were compared for highest death count at the strongest measures. Okay, in this, that is country like Italy, Spain, France, UK, US, India. In Italy, that is more than lakhs people affected due to COVID-19. In Spain, also same things, that is France, UK, USA, and India, more than 50,000 people affected by the COVID-19. Okay, so this index is mainly used to calculate how much stringency applied by the government to tackle the COVID-19 emergency situation. So next topic is Asia Infrastructure Investment Bank. This bank nothing but is the multilateral development bank with a mission to improve social and economic outcomes in Asia and beyond. Its headquartered in Beijing. Okay, this development bank started in 2015. Okay, on that time 57 founding member. Okay, so recently total 97 members present in Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Okay, why this is in news? Okay, recently approved 500 million US dollar for COVID-19 emergency response and health system preparedness project initiated by India. Okay, so highest contribution in this development bank by China, that is 50 billion US dollar, and second highest contributed by India, that is 8.4 billion US dollar. Okay guys, so the project will be implemented by the National Health Mission, National Center for Disease Control, and Indian Council of Medical Research. So these three participation for the project implementation. Okay guys, so what is the goal of AIIB, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? To foster sustainable economic development. Okay, that is regularly means such sustainable point of view, how can develop a nation. Okay, so this is in Asia and beyond also. This fund can provide anyone in Europe and Asia, also beyond of these two continents. So this is to promote regional cooperation and partnership. One of the goal of AIB is the cooperation and partnership. Okay. Other one is to encourage private investment in project. This is also most important goal of AIAB. Okay, so first meeting was held in Beijing, and recent meeting in 2019 was held in Luxembourg. That is theme for that one, cooperation and connectivity. So this is important development bank for developing nation in Asia and Europe. So other one is next topic for this one, national infrastructure pipeline. So why this is news? NIP, why this is a news? The task force on national infrastructure pipeline has recommended setting up a national land management corporation, NLMC. Remember this one, NLMC, National Land Management Corporation. So what is NIP? It is nothing but this is an investment plan unveiled by the central government for enhancing infrastructure in identified sector for period of 5 years, 2020 to 2025. Okay, so the funding will be jointly made by central, states and other private sector, 39 and 22 in ratio. Okay, it will help in India to become the 5 trillion economy by 2025. Okay, so the 14.4 trillion have been allotted for NIP. This is most important things for the NIP. Okay, so the next topic today is that is Lumen 16. Recently one discovery has been done, that is Lumen 16. This is nothing but is a part of binary system that contains second brown dwarf. Okay, that contains second brown dwarf. Okay, how these things is find? Okay, they used polymetry technique. So polymetry technique is nothing but that is study of polarization. Okay, it is the property of light. It represents the direction in which the light wave oscillate. Similarly, what is the meaning of binary stars here? Nothing but two stars orbiting a common center. Two stars orbiting a common center. That is nothing but is the binary star. Lumen 16A is a part of binary system. Okay, so this pair orbits each other. It also shows signs of cloud band similar to those seen on Jupiter and Saturn. So just remember, just question will ask in exam like then what is this Lumen 16? What is this? Okay, and in what way this this study has been done. So next topic is Fly Now. Fly Now nothing much is the Internet of Drones platform. It is used to watch the situation with the help of drones on just one single control room. That is multiple drones directly can send the data to this control room. So this is accessible directly from control room. It can assist the police officials. Live multi-video feedings है. Okay, so nothing more. This is also most important. Other is the Rath Yatra at Jagannath Puri. Okay, it is the Hindu festival associated with Lord Jagannath. Very important things. Okay, so the temple is called White Pagoda and is the part of Char Dham. In Char Dham, Badrinath, Dwarka, Puri, Jagannath Puri, Rameswaram. Okay, so the temple is believed to be constructed in the 12th century by King Anantavarman Gangadev. The part of Eastern Ganga dynasty. Okay. Now, why this is in news? Actually, Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA) has allowed the construction of chariots for the annual Rath Yatra. So in chariot means Jagannath Puri, Balram and Subhadra are pulled by the devotees. Other most important things is Ayush Sanjeevani app. This is developed by the Ministry of Ayush and MATI, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. This is mainly used to help the COVID-19 patient and means how can improve our immunity. This is help in that sense. Like it is used to when you will download in your mobile then feature of this Ayush Sanjeevani app is Ayush for health, Ayurvedic immunity, need for care, then other things also. When this Ayush ministry uses these things for to store the data of more than 50 lakhs peoples. So through this app you can understand the how can make the kada, then how can increase our immunity level day by day, then how can cure the old people and child and women's and other things. So thank you guys. This is for today all. Thank you.